Hello.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are on the Caravan Salon Dusseldorf.
Yeah, so the Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. And so we've got now it's a lovely sunny day, which it wasn't half an hour ago. It was pouring
it was
rain.
raining.
Yeah, but what an hour ago was quite nice though.
There's Anke.
There's Anka.
Yeah.
Anka.
Hi.
Anka. There's Anka.
Bei Concord. Bei Concord, okay.
Ja.
Komm vorbei.
Komm vorbei, ganz
Das ist
unten
Alan, wir
zwischen-
machen gerade einen
kennen
Film.
uns.
Hallo, hallo.
Hey.
Ja,
Ja, unten beim Cruiser, zwischen Cruiser und Liner stehe ich.
alles klar. Morgen.
Ja, ich bin da.
Super.
Genau, wenn ich
Wir
fuchs
gehen.
mich kurz an. Ich kann nicht raus.
Wir gehen jetzt mal einen Film machen.
Wisst ihr,
Das
wo
ist
der
Antje.
Bürstner geht?
Antje.
Ich wünsche euch einen tollen Abend.
Danke.
Oh, die Sonne blendet. Ich wünsche euch allen einen schönen Abend. Ciao.
Sorry
So,
about that.
yeah, no
I
problem.
was looking for her and I couldn't find her.
Oh, what's you seeing?
Yeah.
And right, so what we've got here, we can see we've got this long tunnel thing. It looks like some futuristic thing from the 60s.
Yes.
What people thought the world would be like in 2023. And we have over, in fact, I can turn the camera around. So yeah, we've got these holes there. It says mess centre up there, so that's because it's a mess.
Yes.
And
And in front of us we have Landvergnügen.
yeah, Landvergnügen, that's not a mess.
It's like Brit stops.
No, Brit stops is no, it's not. It's not
No,
like
not.
Brit stops.
It's not.
No, Landvergnügen is pretty good.
Yes.
Unlike Brit stops, I can't see the point of spending. You're going to go to a pub to have a meal. It costs what, at least £50. So to get a hard standing place in the evening overnight, what's the point of that? Anyway,
Anyway, they're having a party here.
they're having a party to which we were not invited.
We are not invited.
You
no,
were,
but-
yeah,
but
we
we
weren't
could bring
invited,
our
so there you go.
wine. We could bring our wine.
And right, let's go in here because talking of a mess.
Yes.
What company we want to see right now?
We want to go and see a Weinsberg.
Weinsberg,
A
yeah,
van everybody talks about because they discovered Vanlife
yeah.
for
So,
themselves.
so Weinsberg claims to have discovered Vanlife, and right, thank you. Well, right.
Now we have to find it.
Fine. Have you noticed that these Weinsberg vans don't even have an engine in them?
You don't say. Oh,
So-
we might have a problem. I think they closed already.
All right. So if it's closed, then we'll have to go and inspect something else.
Yes.
And right. So
Now you see the excursion vans. You know the vans that go the.
yeah,
with the-
if you see the finishing on them, it's awful. The way the silicate, oh, really bad. Anyway, yeah, the thing about this, I mean, it looks clever. The idea, I understand the idea, but you know, putting a tent in up like that, it's not gonna.
Yeah,
It's
so
up might be
the-
like in summer when it's not
the bar
raining.
is not too high. You see,
Yeah.
we want to see these.
I'll see this, right? Vanlife by Weinsberg. So it's this
Yes.
one here. It's on a Fiat.
Life.
A clear. Okay, I'm gonna open up the camera a bit more so we can get a better look at it. And can we get in?
I don't know.
Doesn't look that way, does it?
No, it doesn't look like
Oh
it.
no, I think it does look like it.
Ah, we can go inside.
Right, this is going to cost 72,150, and okay, right. It's got diesel heating as standard. It's got a multifunctional bar
this is-
fach.
This is like a small table, and you can hear you have
Would you?
glasses and everything. It's not very, not
yeah,
very
yeah.
strong.
You can keep really light things on that table.
What you see is that they separated the driving compartment from the camper.
What was the point of that?
They said to give you more privacy. You see, you don't have many windows here. You have huge windows in the roof,
Yeah.
but you don't have too many windows in the van.
Okay, so what they're saying is to give you more privacy, because you've got all sorts of dodgy people up front, and keep away from them. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, you see, you have this L kitchen, quite a lot of room. You have a good fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Here, the water
Oh, hey, that's original. Yeah, what's
Yes.
that? Oh, yeah. It looks.
don't
It
know
looks.
what
It looks like a collapsible one. I can't
Yeah,
collapse
but
it.
it's not it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got an Abfalleimer.
Apfeleimer, that's for
Abfalleimer,
rubbish.
sorry. Yeah, it's a rubbish
A
bin.
rubbish bin.
An Abfall bin.
Cooker here.
Yeah.
There's a small window.
Yeah.
This is a cupboard. I don't know how it opens. Like this.
Oh well. Yeah.
It's just
Well, yeah, that's all right.
small.
I wouldn't complain about that.
You see, very important is this coffee.
Yeah, oh yeah,
tabs.
the awful coffee. Awful
Yes.
coffee for an awful van. Good idea. At least it's consistent.
All the storage you have in these
Yeah, the
up
Wandpaneele auf Deutsch.
Wandpaneele. I don't know what happened.
What's a
there.
wall cabinets?
This is just small.
Yeah.
The thing is, you have this benches as well,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you have in the middle you have the table that slides out.
All right. So we'll see if we
Take
can
it out.
slide it out. Oh, you can do it. Yeah.
But, oh God, somebody fixed it quite well.
Well, it's newer.
Yes, comes out.
Yeah.
Quite.
Oh, hey, that's good. Oh, I like that. Yeah.
No, it
Actually,
goes
I've got to say that I've only normally seen this in expedition vans built in. So
Yeah.
that
You have quite a huge
That's
bed
quite good.
already,
Mhm,
and
yeah.
you have the felts on the sides.
Yeah.
You know, you have this Vanlife feeling as well from the behind you. You see the boards.
Yeah.
It has this wooden, and you can make the bed bigger. I just don't know how it works, but it comes
do-
out
yeah, yeah.
onto here. So you
yeah,
can
but
even
not
get a
trying.
bigger bed.
Okay. I can't see how.
So-
Is it? I don't know.
What the people liked the feeling of this car
Mhm.
because it's something new. I mean, I've seen it with self-building vans.
Yeah. Well, I can't say I've ever seen this layout myself,
I've
but
seen it with
oh really?
some,
Okay, good. Yeah.
some people. The thing is, the toilet is underneath.
Yeah. I mean,
It slides out.
yeah, 72,000 for a
Yeah.
van with. Oh, hey, I'll close the door if I can work out how to do it. If I can. Any idea how the door works?
Yeah, I should like my camper van. Let me have a look.
Oh, well done. Yeah, so
You see, this is just. It's quite thin.
yeah, Yeah.
This is another.
yeah. Why bother with insulation? Just extra cost, isn't it? Really?
Yeah,
I mean,
Underneath here, it's difficult to get here.
oh, right. Okay. So we've got a portable
Yeah,
to
you
see?
have a you have
Chemia
a porta
toilet.
potty,
Yeah.
porta potty.
Chemical
Or
toilet.
you have a Trigano as well.
Oh no, that's a good one, a Trigano. Yeah.
Yeah. I just don't know how to open the door, and I don't want to kill something.
Yeah. Never mind.
But it's underneath here, and it slides out.
It's
here.
it's a Weinsberg, so we can't really expect
Yeah.
it to work. It's also got a secret shower.
Yes, underneath here you have
Oh,
the
that's a-
sink,
That's a good idea.
and then you fold something up.
Yeah,
and
so-
you have to.
Ah, a shower tray under
That's
there.
A shower tray underneath.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You can
Putting the
see it outside. They
Okay.
made a demonstration.
Oh, okay, right. And
You know,
Oh.
my followers all said not enough windows and to keep it away from the driving compartment.
I personally think it's really silly keeping things away from a driving compartment.
Yeah, because if you can't just jump out and
No,
go away,
no.
you
Yeah.
always have to leave the bedroom.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's one thing. And we've got a lion standing outside or something like that, and you've got to wait for another lion to turn up.
Guns, yes.
Or a crocodile or something. And yeah, I think I really want a connection myself. No, I do appreciate not everybody wants a connection between the driving part and the. But the thing is, you've got the seats here which could be used for other
Seating.
functions. Yeah, and so.
Storage.
It's a bit like a cheap. Somebody's done something on the cheap and sort of built it themselves. The idea of privacy, yeah, I agree. That's why we have curtains and we have blackout blinds and things like that. So
What is really interesting, you have all kinds of gimmicks you put in these here, you know, and on the walls as well. Here,
Yeah, this could be for bags, and I think putting soft bags isn't a bad idea.
Or nets or something.
Because if you've got, for example, off-road things, and I really think this bag, you can fill a bag up. It's home if one of these weird people lives in the house.
We could go outside again because it's getting really warm in here.
It is. It's getting really hot.
Okay. They put it beside.
It is hot in here. I hope we can get.
It's hot.
Hope we can get out. Hey, I got locked in a van once.
That'd be good.
The door was broken. Oh, there's the fridge. It's one of these fridges that opens both ways.
Yes.
And let's come outside. And outside we've got a demonstration of the shower. Yes. Oh, and this is it. This is a demonstration of how the shower works. See, there was something in the roof to hang it onto, and then you get in the shower like this. Does it have hot water?
I think it has.
Or is it one of these like clever vans which didn't bother? I don't know why they're calling it Vanlife.
Yeah, because of the optic, and as well you have all kind of possibilities to have it outside. I mean, painted or pictures or anything.
So it's 72,150, which admittedly is a bit cheaper than other things.
The special wheels.
Oh yeah, I've got wheels. We've got tyres on the wheels as well. Probably no air in them, but never mind.
You have space here.
Oh, hey, that's all right. That is no. Hey, look, that's great. I mean, if there was a light on, it'd be even better. It's a good job I've got using my new camera, which has got night vision capability. Because the other one couldn't do this. Yeah, that's really nice. A lot of space there.
Listen carefully when I close the door. Oh, it's all right. It had quite a bit of hollow sound when I opened it. Yeah, you noticed?
There's no insulation in it. Yeah, no insulation. And if you're into van life, insulation isn't a bad idea.
Nope.
Things have to be insulated. It's just it's not. You know, if you're driving an Amazon van or something like that, then that's fair enough. So, and look what it says on here. Other than neu, which means new, but look at that. Look at that. Right. Closed cold bridges, optimal insulation.
Yes.
And there's no insulation. Right, that's it. No insulation is optimized. Sorry, I didn't say it's not it's optimiert. Optimized.
Yeah, what really is special is the way the windows open to the side.
Yeah,
You know?
and
big windows.
what's the point of that opening to the side?
I don't know.
Actually, that's often. You usually have it open in the direction of in the direction you're driving in.
Yes.
You shouldn't really. Some of these ones actually will take speeds. I can't say in this case, but some will take speeds to 120 kilometers an hour. But yeah, though I think often though the big ones do open that way, so I think that's normal.
So you see.
Oh,
What do you say?
it's a Weinsberg. What can you expect?
You took that sentence from me. No, Weinsberg does quite a lot of good vans.
Does it? Well, I obviously haven't seen them all.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching. And the advice on this van is...
Have a look.
Have a look. Yeah, have a look. Yeah, have a look. We'll be fair.
Look very carefully.
Have a very careful look. Yeah, have a very careful look.
Good.
Bye for now.
Bye.